65 million years ago, long before humans walked the earth, a different group of creatures ruled the land, sea, and sky. These were the dinosaurs, a diverse and awe-inspiring collection of animals that dominated the planet for over 160 million years. Their era, known as the Mesozoic, spanned three distinct periods: the Triassic, the Jurassic, and the Cretaceous. During this time, dinosaurs evolved, diversified, and adapted to nearly every environment on Earth, becoming some of the most successful and fascinating creatures our planet has ever seen. The story of dinosaur domination begins in the late Triassic period, around 230 million years ago. At this time, the world looked very different from today. All the continents were joined together in a single massive landmass called Pangaea, and the climate was generally hot and dry. Early dinosaurs were relatively small and agile, competing with other ancient reptiles for food and territory. But as time passed, dinosaurs began to diversify and grow in size, developing new adaptations that would set them apart from their rivals. By the Jurassic period, around 200 million years ago, dinosaurs had become the undisputed rulers of the land. Giant plant eaters like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus towered over the forests, using their long necks to reach leaves high in the treetops. Meanwhile, fearsome predators like Allosaurus and Ceratosaurus stalked their prey with sharp teeth and powerful claws. Dinosaurs were not just limited to the land, either. Some, like the pterosaurs, took to the skies, becoming the first vertebrates to achieve powered flight. In the oceans, massive marine reptiles like ichthyosaurs and plesiosaurs hunted fish and other sea creatures, completing the picture of dinosaurian dominance. What made dinosaurs so successful? One key factor was their adaptability. Dinosaurs came in an astonishing variety of shapes and sizes, from tiny, bird-like creatures, no bigger than a chicken, to colossal giants weighing more than 70 tons. Some walked on two legs, others on four. Some were covered in armor plates or spikes, while others had elaborate crests or frills used for display or defense. Dinosaurs evolved to fill every ecological niche, from fast-running hunters to slow-moving grazers, from swamp dwellers to desert wanderers. Another important factor was their physiology. Most scientists now believe that many dinosaurs were warm-blooded, or at least had a metabolism somewhere between that of modern reptiles and birds. This allowed them to be more active and adaptable than their cold-blooded competitors. Dinosaurs also laid eggs, and some species even cared for their young, increasing the chances of survival for the next generation. Perhaps the most famous dinosaurs of all lived during the Cretaceous period, the final act of the Mesozoic era. This was the age of the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, the three-horned Triceratops, and the armored Ankylosaurus. During this time, flowering plants began to spread, changing the landscape and providing new food sources for herbivorous dinosaurs. The continents were drifting apart, creating new environments and opportunities for evolution. Dinosaurs continued to thrive, reaching their greatest diversity just before the end. But the reign of the dinosaurs was not destined to last forever. Around 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event brought their domination to a sudden and dramatic end. A massive asteroid, estimated to be over 6 miles wide, slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, creating a crater more than 100 miles across. The impact unleashed unimaginable energy, triggering wildfires, tsunamis, and a global cloud of dust and debris that blocked out the sun. Temperatures plummeted, plants withered, and food chains collapsed. In the aftermath, more than 3/4 of all species on Earth, including all non-avian dinosaurs, were wiped out in one of the greatest mass extinctions in history. Yet, the legacy of dinosaur domination did not vanish completely. Some small, feathered dinosaurs survived the catastrophe and evolved into the birds we know today. Every robin, eagle, and sparrow is a living reminder of the age when dinosaurs ruled the world. The story of dinosaur domination is more than just a tale of giant reptiles. It is a testament to the power of evolution, the resilience of life, and the ever-changing nature of our planet. Dinosaurs adapted to shifting climates, changing continents, and new competitors. They developed extraordinary forms and behaviors, from the long-necked sauropods that could strip entire forests to the cunning raptors that hunted in packs. Their fossils, preserved in rock for millions of years, continue to inspire awe and wonder, offering us a window into a lost world. Scientists continue to uncover new secrets about dinosaurs every year. Advanced technology allows paleontologists to study dinosaur bones in incredible detail, revealing how they moved, grew, and even what colors they might have been. Recent discoveries of fossilized feathers suggest that many dinosaurs were much more bird-like than we once imagined. Some may have been brightly colored, using their plumage to attract mates or intimidate rivals. Others developed elaborate horns, frills, or crests, not just for defense, but for communication and display. The dominance of dinosaurs was not just about size and strength. It was about innovation, adaptation, and survival in a world that was constantly changing. Dinosaurs faced challenges from volcanic eruptions, shifting continents, and fluctuating climates. Time and again, they overcame these obstacles, evolving new forms and strategies to stay on top. Today, as we look back on the age of dinosaurs, we are reminded of both the fragility and the resilience of life on Earth. The world the dinosaurs knew is gone, reshaped by time and catastrophe. But their story lives on, in the rocks beneath our feet, in the birds that soar above us, and in our imagination. Dinosaurs may no longer roam the land, but their legacy endures, a testament to a time when they truly dominated the Earth. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.